use third form of verb, sir. Sir, in when time we use third form verb? Me sometimes we use, sir, in the present continuous tense, that third form was used, is used.
Dear friend, now we are learning present continuous tense, okay? And now you give me the example where third form of the verb is used in the present continuous tense.
Sir, in was used, sir, see in some examples, sir. So that's why I have doubt.
If you have an example, give me. In present continuous tense, subject plus am oblique is oblique are plus before means ing form of the verb and object. Okay. Suppose I am writing a letter, you are playing cricket, they are completing their homework this way. Don't get confused, dear friend. And actually the grammar is a huge
Okay,
subject.
sir. Okay, sir.
Grammar is a huge subject which cannot be fully completed within just 15 days or 20 days. When you will take admission to our NDA classes, that time you will again see everything is being cleared in our classes. Okay, but this is the lecture series which is designed for the entrance examination of SPI. We have time limitations. And within these time limitations, we have to complete the syllabus properly as far as we can. But when our NDA lecture series will go on, the grammar will continue. Grammar will continue for about 18 months or maybe more than those months. And then you will see everything is being taken in our class. But because of the time limitations, we have to complete the study which is can be completed within the time limitations. So our notice has already given you. You have to enroll your name. Then you will be given the time and date of interview for the admission of NDA. And our NDA lectures will start on 1st of June. Okay. Now please. Present continuous tense. The uses of present continuous tense. Rushikesh sir, allow me the screen please. Hello.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, interviews are from tomorrow, sir, at 3 o'clock in the noon.
Yes. Dear friends, remember your interviews will be taken from tomorrow. Be careful. Enroll your names. Register your names. And as soon as soon as possible, get admission to our NDA classes. Everything of English is completed. In our SPI entrance, we have time limitations. Within the limited days, we have to complete the study. But in our NDA, we have to prepare for the NDA. So NDA syllabus of English will be taken and it will be very detailed syllabus. So please, I request you, take admission as soon as possible. You will get most benefit from our NDA classes. Thank you. Now, dear friends, the uses of present perfect tense. The uses of present perfect tense. It's a formula. Subject plus have oblique has plus V3. V3 means past participle form of the verb and then object. Here, subject Then look at here. I have written a letter. I have written a letter. Now look at here. This is the subject. Then now oblique has. Remember, with I have is used. With we have is used. And for the rest of the subject, when singular subject is there, we have to use has. And when plural subject is there, we have to use have. Then V3. And then this is the object. Look at here. I is subject. Have auxiliary verb. Have oblique has. Written V3. And a letter is object. I have written a letter. He has written a letter. They have written a letter. Now the uses of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to indicate that action. The present perfect tense is used to indicate that action which has been completed or which has completed, finished or done just now. Now look at here. Don't get confused. Look at here what is being told to you. Pay attention to it. Don't get confused. Your concentration is important. Now, the action which has been completed or finished or done just now near the present time or a little time back in the immediate past. For such actions, we have to use present continuous tense. Now, the uses of present continuous tense, present perfect tense, जब कोई कार्य भूतकाल में शुरू हुआ हो यो वह अभी भी जारी है तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का इस्तेमाल होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही हैज लिव्ड इन दिस सिटी फॉर 5 years. He has lived in this city for 5 years. 5 years. Here, still he is living in this city. He has lived in this city for 5 years. Means, जब कोई कार्य भूतकाल में शुरू हो, he started living in this city some 5 years back, and still he is living in this city. For such actions, we use present perfect tense. Such actions can be told in other tenses also. At that time, you have to pay attention to those uses of those tenses. But now, when the uses of present perfect tense is going on, you have to look at this only. Don't get confused these tense with others. He has taught in his college for 3 years. Now, he has taught in his college for 3 years. Next, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का प्रयोग ऐसे स्थिति में भी किया जाता है जिनमें कार्य के पूर्ण होने का समय नहीं दिया गया. When action is completed, but the time is not given. For such actions, we use present perfect tense. For example, you have read, R-E-A-D. Read, R-E-A-D, read first form, R-E-A-D, read second form, and R-E-A-D, read third form. So the 1, 2, 3 forms of read are same in spelling. They have the difference in pronunciation. First form read, second form read, and third form read. You have read a novel. You have read a novel. Action is completed, but the time of action is not given. The particular time is not given. Such actions are also expressed in present perfect tense. He has been to America, but when did not given. Such actions are again given in present perfect tense. He has been to America. He has been to America. He has been to America. Then he has gone to Australia. So such actions are given in present perfect tense, or present perfect tense is used for such actions. Next, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का प्रयोग ऐसे स्थिति हेतु भी किया जाता है जिनमें कार्य अभी अभी पूर्ण होता है. Very recently, when an action is completed, to express such actions, we use present perfect tense. For example, it has just struck 7. It has just struck 7. It has just struck 7. अभी अभी 7 बजे. It has just struck 7. Then he has just gone out. 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 So the actions which are completed very recently in the past, to express such actions, we use present perfect tense. Then प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का प्रयोग ऐसे कार्य हेतु भी किया जाता है जो पास्ट में पूर्ण हो चुके हो, लेकिन हमें उन कार्यों का प्रभाव वर्तमान में महसूस हो रहा है. Dear friends, actually the action is completed in the past time, but still we are getting the effect of that action in the present time. Again, let me tell you, the actions which are completed in the past time, but still we get the effect of those actions in the present time. We have to use present perfect tense to express those actions. Again, the actions which are completed in the past, but still have the effect of them in the present, to express such actions, we use present perfect tense. For example, the lift has broken down. The lift has broken down. The lift has broken down. Actually, the lift has broken in the past time, and still we get the effect of that broken down lift, because we are suffering because it is broken. So when action is completed in the past, but still we get the effect of it in the present time, to express such actions we use present perfect tense. Then he has eaten all the fruits. He has eaten all the fruits. He has eaten all the fruits. So fruits are eaten by him, and none of the fruits are left for us. So action is completed of eating the fruits in the past, and we are affected because of that action in the present also. To express such actions, we use present perfect tense. Next, it, always, never, already, up to now, today, often, several times, lately, recently, so far, ever. These words or the group of words are also used in the present perfect tense. Again, let me tell you, dear friends, it, always, never, already, up to now, often, today, several times, lately, recently, so far, and ever. These words or the group of words are also used in present perfect tense. For example, I have already visited Agra. I have already visited. I have already visited Agra. Now here already this word is used. Then my friend has left. My friend has left today. My friend has left to America today. My friend has left to America today. I have already seen this film. I have seen this film already. I have already seen this film. I have already seen this film. So in this way, then I have often been there. I have often been there. So some words or the group of words are used in present perfect tense. Let me tell you again. It, always, never, already, up to now, today, often, several times, lately, recently, so far, and ever. Next, now here are some it is के साथ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का प्रयोग किया जाता है. For example, it is there. It is 3 years since I have seen her. It is 3 years. It is 3 years since I have seen him. I have seen him. Now, it is 3 years. It is 3 years since I have seen him. I have seen him is the perfect tense, and before that it is 3 years since. So in such examples, or sentences, we use present perfect tense. Then, this is the first time that I have heard him. This is the first time. This is the first time I have heard him. Heard him. This is the first time I have heard him. Suppose he is a singer and I have heard him. This is the first time. Then प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का प्रयोग सामान्यतः पत्र लेखन में भी किया जाता है. Generally, present perfect tense is used in letter writing also. For example, we have carefully considered your request. We have carefully considered your request. I have decided to take the action. I have decided I have decided to tell you the report of trip to Raigad. So generally, in letter writing, we use present perfect tense. So this way, dear friends, present perfect tense is very important tense. Its a structure was subject plus have oblique has plus V3. V3 means past participle form of the verb and then object. Have is used with I, though it is singular. Now, have is used with plural subject and has is used with singular subject. Very first, have present perfect tense is used for the actions which started in the past and still going on in the present. For example, he has lived in this city for 5 years and still he is living. Next, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का प्रयोग ऐसे स्थिति में भी किया जाता है जिनमें कार्य के पूर्ण होने का समय नहीं दिया गया. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस दोज एक्शंस which do not have time indications. For example, he has been to America, then he has gone to America. I have completed my letter. Next, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का प्रयोग ऐसे स्थिति हेतु भी किया जाता है जिनमें कार्य अभी अभी वर्तमान में पूर्ण हुआ. When an action is recently completed in the present time, to express such actions, we use present perfect tense. For example, it has just struck 7. He has just gone out. Tom has just rung up. The bus has just arrived. The cat has just had kittens. This way. Next, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का प्रयोग ऐसे कार्यों हेतु भी किया जाता है जो पास्ट में पूर्ण हो चुके हैं लेकिन हमें उन कार्यों का प्रभाव वर्तमान में भी महसूस हो रहा है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज यूज्ड फॉर दोज एक्शंस which are completed in the past time and still we have the effect of them in the present time also. For example, the lift has broken down. So the lift has broken down, then this action is completed in the past time, but still we are affected. What we are affected because of that action, because of the lift which is broken. Secondly, I have completed my work, and because my work is completed, I'm free. I am free. This is the effect because that action is completed in the past. Then he has eaten all the fruits. He has eaten all the fruits. The action is completed in the past, but we have the effect in the present. He has eaten all the fruits, and that's why we don't have any fruit to eat. Then it, always, never, already, up to now, today, even, often, several times, lately, recently, so far, ever. These words or the groups of words are used in present perfect tense. For example, I have already visited Agra. Uh, I have already seen this film. I have often been there. He has read this novel several times. Hari has come to college this morning. Then look at the structure. It is 3 years since I have seen her. In this structure, present perfect tense is used. It is 3 years I have seen her. It is 2 months since I have met him. Then, generally, present perfect tense is used in letter writing. For example, we have carefully considered your request. I have decided to write the report of our trip to you. Then, I have been to cinema. I have bought one sari. So, these are the present actions which are expressed in the present perfect tense. Thank you. So, dear friends, if you have any doubt, you can ask. ऋषिकेश सर, त्यांचा काही डाऊट असेल तो घ्या. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt, please?
Participants, please raise your hands if you have queries and doubts. Last 10 minutes we have. Anyone have doubts? Vedant.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Perfect tense. The second example is given.
Present perfect
Tense. Second example is given there.
Sir, what is he asking?
Ask again, Vedant.
Sir, in this present perfect tense, in second example, how present perfect tense is expressed?
Sir, his voice is not clear, please.
Vedant, please comes to us to the speaker, near of the speaker, then speak.
Sir, slide down.
Mic. Vedant, you are not audible. Come to us
Slide
to
down,
near of
sir.
the mic. Ask.
Sir, slide down side.
Sir, there is make and break in his voice. I'm not getting his voice clearly.
Text me, Vedant. I will forward that text towards to the sir. Text me, Vedant.
Yes.
Sir, please slide down side. And in example 2, how the present perfect tense is expressed.
Now write it down, please. Perfect tense is expressed in this sentence. Very good. Actually, dear friend, one action can be expressed. Hello, Vedant. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One action can be expressed in 2 to 3 tenses. Yesterday we have
Okay.
seen simple present tense was used to express the future action also.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay.
Along with that, uh, before the present perfect tense uses were going on, before that we have learned present continuous tense was used. Present continuous tense was used to express the action which was to happen in the future time. Okay, so look at the structure. Look at the structure of this sentence. He has lived in this city for 5 years. He has lived in this city for 5 years. Actually, this action can be expressed in present perfect continuous tense also. Hello,
Okay.
but
Yes, sir.
these are the things we are going to learn when our uses of present perfect continuous tense will go on. But now look at the structure here. The structure is according to this grammar rule. This grammar is not of my own. Okay, the grammarians have studied and written this, and they have developed the grammar of English. Now the structure of this sentence is he, subject, has, auxiliary verb, and lived, L-I-V-E-D, lived. Lived is V3, past perfect tense. L-I-V-E, live, first form of the verb, and second and third form of the live is same. Lived, lived. And then time is given. He has lived in this city for 5
Yes.
years. That means his action of living in this city for 5 years is completed.
Sir, on के रहते हैं.
For this matter, we have to study again and again. We have to do the revision of English. Step, it will be automatically getting clear to you. But remembering the uses, the structure of the sentence, and then tenses and practice, these things are very important. Okay, my dear friend.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Now, when we start our present perfect continuous tense, you pay attention to it also. One action can be completed or expressed in 2 to 3 tenses. But now, what we have to do? We have to do is to pay attention to the tense which is going on presently. Right? Good.
Yes.
Nice question. Sir, next. Hello. Next.
Is anyone have queries related to English?
Last minute.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
There is no one.